In today's tutorial, we are going to look at creating a new project in Premiere Pro. All right, let's get into it. So first off, before we do anything, as always, we're going to start at our AVTF media folder. So if we double click on that, that's going to open up. Then we're going to go to the year of the class we're a part of. We're going to double click that, open that up, and then we're going to select our class, open up that, as well as our folder. We're going to open up that. So last time I had this model project 1. This time I'm working on my Black History project. So with that said, I've already made a folder for that. And if I open up this, you can already guess that it has a content folder as well as a project files folder. So I'm already set up and ready to go. So I'm going to put this over to the side. And now the question that you may have, if it's not already as an icon down here, is how do you open up Premiere Pro? So over the course of working with Macs, I want you to get used to these symbols down here. So we have the Finder face that we use a lot, which is this. This is called the Finder. But in order to find this application, we have what is called the Launchpad, or I usually call it the rocket ship. So if I click on this little rocket ship, my apps pop up, right? So I can scroll on either side. So of course Premiere is not over here. So I'm going to go over to this second page, and also you can click these dots to go back and forth, right? So anyway, Premiere is on my second page. So it's right here. So you can simply open it up by clicking it. So the Launchpad goes away, starts doing a little bouncy dance down here, and it's opening up. All right, so this is what the first part of Premiere looks like whenever you open it. So how do you make this new project? So number one, you want to go towards the left over here, and you want to click New Project. Boom. So that is the first way to start it. So after you click New Project, you have this New Project tab or window that pops up, and there's a few things to fill out or to route and set up before you can feel comfortable with clicking OK to start your project. So number one, before you name anything, you want to click on Browse. All right. So what Browse does is it allows you to tell Premiere where you want your project file to be saved. So right here, this is the last project that I worked on my computer, and it's a project that I'm editing right now. So with that said, this right here is what we call a project file. So what the project file does is if you double click it, it will open the project, and that's what you want. So for whenever you're trying to open up your project, you can go all the way to your project files folder for whatever specific project that you want to work on, and simply by double clicking the project file, that opens up the project. So again, it gives you easy access to your work. So anyway, right here, this is set to my other project that I'm not working on right now because I'm working on my Black History project. So I need to make sure that this particular project files folder that's empty, that one needs to be the one that I tell Premiere to save my new project file in. So the easiest way to find this folder, number one, which is the longer way, I could click on on desktop, go to AVTF Media and click through all of these folders, but that may be a little time consuming. On the other hand, since I already have my folder pulled up, I can drag my project files folder and drop it on here. Boom. And by doing that, it automatically selects that exact folder. So I can click choose, and then from here, all I have to do is name it. So I'm going to name this Black History Project underscore John Singleton. There we go. There we go. All right, so I have my name together, and I've already clicked browse to choose my project files folder. So now from here, I'm good to go. So I can click OK, and that's going to create my project. Boom, there it is. Also, what you notice is that over here, if I open my project files folder, that project file is now there after I press OK. So this is how to set up a project in Premiere Pro. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at importing, and we're also going to go over a little bit of what all of this is because it's probably very new to you. So we'll go over that in the next tutorial. Take care.